Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. Today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. So we had Owen's birthday party Saturday night and then we had a busy Sunday. So this is what the house was looking like Monday morning. It was a complete disaster, especially out here in the main living area. So this is where we are going to be focusing. All of the cleaning today is just here in the main living area in the living rooms, and then over in the kitchen we're going to be getting all of that party mess cleaned up. There was still some presents and stuff left out on the floor. The floor needed to be cleaned in the kitchen. So yeah, just lots of cleaning to get done today. And if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. Just click the red subscribe button down below and then click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. And before we get started with all of that cleaning, I wanted to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway in today's video. So I'm going to be giving away one of my Simply Earth subscription boxes to one of you guys, and here I'm showing you everything that is inside of that box that you will win if you win this giveaway. So there is 4 different essential oils and then all of the items that you will need to make all of the recipes on those recipe cards. It also comes with stickers for all of the recipes that you make. So if you want to win this Simply Earth essential oil recipe box, all you have to do is first be sure that you are subscribed to my channel with the notification bell turned on, and then just give this video a thumbs up and then just leave me a comment down below. Your comment will be your entry in the giveaway, but first of course you have to be subscribed to my channel and the winner will be chosen at random. Here I was just giving you a quick peek at my huge collection of oils from Simply Earth. I also got one of their sticker sheets that they sell on their websites that I could put them on top of my oils to make them easier to find. They also sell these wooden oil boxes on their website as well, and they are so awesome, such great quality. I love to be able to have all of my oils stored in them. And so now we are going to get straight into the cleaning, and I also really quickly want to let you guys know that I have another giveaway going on as well. And this giveaway is going on over on my Instagram. I teamed up with 6 other YouTube moms and we are giving away $350 in Target gift cards. So if you have Instagram, head over to my Instagram and look for this post that I will have come up here on the screen. And on that post will be the instructions on how to enter the giveaway. It's super easy. So if you have Instagram and you love shopping at Target, then definitely make sure that you go and enter that giveaway. I started off here in the kitchen getting the table cleaned off, and I took all of those balloons down off the wall, popped them all and put them in the trash, and then I got everything back to normal, got my sign back up on the wall, my flowers back up on the table. It just always feels so good to get your house back to normal after you have a party or something like that where everything gets out of place. After this party, I told my husband that I think next year we might just do a joint birthday party for both of the boys because their birthdays are really close together, like about exactly a month apart. And I think it would just be so much easier next year to just do one birthday party, because doing 2 parties, one right after the other, like 1 month apart, is just almost too much. It's a lot of work. I wouldn't have to do such a big party. I could do something smaller, but I think it would just be easier, and it would also be fun for something different to just do a joint birthday party. And then obviously on their individual birthdays, we'll do something special with them on their actual birthday, just us as a little family, and then just have one joint birthday party for both of them. If you have kids close in age like that, then let me know down below if you ever do joint birthday parties for them. I would love to hear your ideas. once I had the whole kitchen cleaned, the last thing that I wanted to do was to wipe down all of the surfaces, the countertops, the tables, and I used my favorite multi-surface cleaner, which is the Miss Meyer's cleaner that I showed you there. And once the kitchen was all cleaned, I wanted to do a quick clean out of the fridge. After you have a party, your fridge always kind of gets crazy, especially since most of the foods I prepped and put in the fridge, and so I moved a bunch of stuff around quickly so that I could get everything to fit. The fridge kind of got all crazy and it got messy, so I wanted to get that quickly cleaned out. I always get the question down in the comments, what do my kids do while I'm cleaning? Well, here is a little peek at what Owen was doing while I was cleaning up that kitchen the whole time. He drug this container up here from his bedroom and he dumped it out and had all the blocks everywhere and was building things and playing over here. And so he helped me to clean this up after I was done cleaning up the kitchen. But thankfully it kept him entertained the whole time that I cleaned up the kitchen. And that's typically what my kids are doing while I'm cleaning. They're just playing. Kyle's playing in the backyard. Owen's playing with toys, or Owen's taking a nap. Now I'm getting some laundry started, and there I was showing you my 3 favorite products to use for laundry in the ginger mango scent. They're from the Method brand, and I get those from the Grove Collaborative website. And let me know down in the comments, do you like when I'm sharing what cleaning products I'm using throughout the video? I figure it's a cleaning video and you guys are probably wondering what products I'm using and where to get them and if I like them, so I like to share that throughout the video. And also, if I don't share what products I'm using, then I always get questions down in the comments about what products I was using, so I just like to share them in the video. So I love filming these cleaning videos for you guys, and I know that you guys love them because they are my most viewed videos on my channel, especially my whole house cleaning videos, so I try to do those about every other week for you guys. But I do want to start switching up the cleaning videos a little bit just so it's not like the same thing over and over again. I want to do more cleaning videos, but yet I want to do more of a variety of cleaning videos. So I want you to share down in the comments what types of cleaning videos would you like to see here on my channel in the future. I've already come up with a few ideas on my own, but I also would love to hear your ideas as well. I know that you guys love the whole house cleanings and the extreme cleanings, but I'm looking for some different ideas other than those, and like I said, I've come up with a few on my own. And I also want to start doing some more organization and declutter. You guys really like those. My bathrooms really need organized, so we could do some type of organization and decluttering in the bathroom. And I also want to start doing DIY videos every once in a while on my channel. Again, it's been forever since I've done one of those, like DIYing a piece of furniture, where I go into a secondhand shop, find a piece of furniture and give it a makeover and try to flip it for a profit. I did one of those a long time ago. I will link those videos down below in the description box. I bought like a $20 piece of unique furniture at Goodwill. I flipped it, gave it a makeover, and I sold it for like over $100, and that's just really fun to me to do. So I definitely want to do more of those on my channel. So yeah, just share all of your ideas down below. I would love to read through them, especially some unique cleaning video ideas. I would really love to hear those. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, I hope that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. And if you weren't cleaning along with me and now you're motivated to clean, then I will link my cleaning playlist at the end of this video. You can click on that and there is hours and hours of cleaning motivation in there. You can clean along with me for as long as you need to get your house cleaned up. And don't forget to enter the giveaway for the Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box. Remember, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. I'll have all of the dates and details down below in the comments and the description box. And also, don't forget to go and enter that second giveaway over on my Instagram to win $350 to target an amazing giveaway. Make sure that you go and enter if you have Instagram. I will have the link for my Instagram down below, and my Instagram name is also just Hannah's Happy Home if you want to head over there and search it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!